How to manage auto download photos on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage auto download photos on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click settings, this one, and then click messaging. And now all you need to do is just click this one, auto download photos, and select here anything you want, Wi-Fi and cellular, or Wi-Fi only, or never, and just select anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.